Welcome to the best picks. The best Samsonite wheels is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your travel gear, and when they start to wear out, your entire journey can grind to a halt, making the decision to replace them not just a matter of convenience but a necessity for smooth, stress-free globetrotting. Number 5. OwnMy 50mm Luggage Replacement Wheels. Is your suitcase struggling to keep up with your travels? Don't let damaged wheels slow you down. It's time for an upgrade. Our replacement wheels are designed for seamless movement. Made from durable rubber and metal, they offer silent, wear-resistant, and smooth rolling. These wheels are designed to fit most single-wheel rolling luggage. While some minor modifications might be needed, installation is straightforward with the included tools and parts. Each set comes with 4 black rubber wheels, multiple axle lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches. Everything you need to get your luggage rolling again. Give your favorite suitcase a new lease on life. Replacing worn wheels is a practical and cost-effective way to ensure your luggage lasts longer. Enjoy your journeys more with smooth and quiet transportation. These wheels ensure a better travel experience, letting you focus on your adventure. What we like. This option offers a larger 50mm wheel diameter for smoother rolling over varied surfaces. It also includes multiple axle lengths, making it adaptable to different luggage designs. If you frequently travel with heavier bags or encounter rougher terrain, this set is an excellent choice for a robust and long-lasting replacement. What people say. These were a perfect fit for my Samsonite carry-on. They perform just like the original wheels or better. They were easy to replace. The wheels are well made and come with bearings which make them much smoother and more durable than the originals. The kit came with 2 different sizes of axles, 8 bolts, 12 washers, and a couple of Allen keys to make installation easy. Perfect fit for my Samsonite luggage. Much higher quality versus the original wheels on my luggage. I'm sure these will outlast my luggage. Number 4. OwnMy 40mm Luggage Suitcase Replacement Wheels Set. Don't let damaged wheels ruin your travels. Our replacement wheels are designed to bring your suitcase back to life. They offer a smooth and quiet rolling experience, making your journeys more enjoyable. Crafted from durable rubber and metal, these wheels are built to last. They are wear-resistant and designed for silent, swift movement across various surfaces. Enjoy reliable performance trip after trip. Replacing your old wheels is straightforward. This set is suitable for most single-wheel rolling luggage. With the included axles and tools, you can easily install them and get back on the road. Each package includes 4 black rubber wheels, along with various axle lengths and necessary hardware. You'll have everything you need to replace all the wheels on your luggage. Instead of buying a new suitcase, simply replace the worn-out wheels. This cost-effective solution ensures your luggage remains functional and easy to maneuver for many more adventures. Experience the difference of smooth and mute rolling. These wheels are engineered to glide effortlessly, allowing you to navigate airports and streets with ease and peace of mind. What we like. This set provides a standard 40mm wheel size, ideal for most common luggage repairs. It comes with various axle lengths to ensure a good fit for many suitcase models. If you're looking for a reliable, quiet, and easy-to-install replacement for everyday luggage, this is a great option to get your bag rolling smoothly again. What people say. Once on though, the suitcase rolls like new and these don't seem to leave any rubber markings on the floor, unlike my old worn-out wheels did. Perfect fit to a Brookstone carry-on. Showing pics before and after. All right pieces were included, plus spares. These wheels fit perfectly, look good and work great. Actually these wheels are a better rubber material than original, more akin to mini rollerblade wheels than say, caster wheels, so I think it rolls better than new. Number 3. Alomejor Luggage Wheels. Tired of struggling with worn-out luggage? Upgrade your travel experience with our smooth-rolling replacement wheels. Designed for frequent travelers, they make navigating airports and cities a breeze. Crafted from durable plastic, these wheels are built to last. Their lightweight construction adds no extra burden to your luggage, ensuring comfortable handling. Featuring a convenient round 4-hole design, installation is straightforward. While minor adjustments might be needed for a perfect fit, the process is simple. These wheels are perfect for a wide range of luggage, bags, and trolley cases. They are an excellent choice for replacing your old, damaged suitcase wheels. Before purchasing, please verify that the shape and size of our replacement wheels match your original ones. This ensures a seamless fit and optimal performance for your travels. Experience the benefits of heat and moisture resistance, along with flame retardant properties. These wheels offer reliable performance in various conditions, making your journeys more convenient. What we like. This set features lightweight plastic wheels designed for straightforward installation. It's a two-piece set, perfect for luggage that uses paired wheels. If your priority is a simple, lightweight replacement for a suitcase where ease of installation is key, and you don't need heavy-duty performance, this could be the solution. What people say. The wheels are a perfect fit and roll smoothly. Easy to install, just needed a screwdriver. These replacement wheels made my old suitcase like new again. Number 2. OwnMy 70mm Luggage Suitcase Replacement Wheels. Don't let damaged wheels ruin your travels. Our replacement wheels are designed to bring your suitcase back to life. Crafted from high-quality rubber and metal, these wheels offer wear-resistant, silent, and smooth rolling. They are built to last, ensuring a better travel experience. Designed to fit most single-wheel rolling suitcases, these are a versatile solution for repairs. Please verify the dimensions to ensure compatibility with your luggage. Replacing your old wheels is straightforward, extending the service life of your beloved suitcase. Enjoy hassle-free travel with renewed mobility. Each set comes with 4 wheels, multiple axle lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches. Everything you need for a successful repair is right here. Invest in these replacement wheels and enjoy smoother, quieter journeys. Make your travels more enjoyable with reliable and convenient rolling. What we like. With an impressive 70mm diameter, these wheels are built for superior maneuverability and stability, especially on larger or heavier luggage. Their robust rubber and metal construction ensures durability and a smooth, silent ride. If you have a substantial piece of luggage and want the best possible rolling experience, especially for frequent travelers, this is the premium choice. What people say. These wheels are the same diameter and width as the ones I was replacing. Once removed, I was able to easily mount these new wheels with the hardware provided. The nuts these come with are nylon-style lock nuts, so they hold their position once installed. Highly impressed at how my new wheels held up on cobblestone streets. These replacement casters for my Rick Steves carry-on bags fit great. The wheels glide smoothly even over rough airport floors and city sidewalks. These wheels haven't budged, and my luggage rolls like new. The package even came with 2 different sizes of metal pins. The shorter pins worked out perfectly for me. Kudos for thread lock on the hardware and providing complete sets of long and short hardware. Appear to be very similar to OEM wheels. Number 1. Bstinay W293 Swivel Casters Luggage Replacement Wheels. Tired of struggling with worn-out luggage wheels? Introducing our high-quality replacement casters, designed to bring your suitcase back to life with smooth, effortless rolling. Crafted from premium plastic, these wheels offer excellent mute effects and superior wear resistance. Enjoy a quieter journey with their durable and elastic design. Replacing your luggage wheels is a breeze. Each set includes 2 wheels, left and right, along with 8 screws and a screwdriver, so you have everything you need for a convenient installation. These versatile wheels are designed to be a practical and strong accessory for most luggage types. They are the perfect solution for repairing or upgrading your travel gear. Experience seamless movement as these well-made wheels rotate smoothly on any surface. They are ideal for replacing old, worn-out wheels or keeping a spare set handy. Not sure if these are the right wheels for your luggage? Simply send us a picture of your damaged wheels or the mounting holes, and we'll help you find the perfect match. What we like. This offering includes specific left and right swivel casters, ensuring a precise fit for luggage designed with directional wheels. It also comes with all necessary screws and a screwdriver for a convenient DIY installation. If your luggage has distinct left and right wheels and you want a complete kit with tools included for a hassle-free replacement, this set is ideal. What people say. Fit perfect with our luggage that we had over 6 years, 2 tires broke and we replaced them with these and works well. I use these to replace old wheels on a small outdoor products hard-sided carry-on suitcase. The rubber on the old wheels turned sticky and started to break off in pieces. The case itself was in great condition, so I opted to repair instead of replace. These fit the case for the most part. It was a tad bit bigger than the old wheels, but the screw holes lined up in the right places, and after they were installed, you couldn't tell the difference. These wheels aren't an exact match, but they fit, they are sturdy and they work, and they are even in height. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.